Advocacy.
Good morning, Madam Sara. Good morning, my fellow classmates who are not sitting down. I hope you sit down. It is my pleasure to present to introduce the art value that is to be presented now, concern for the environment. As you know, our environment is very important to produce resources. We are here to portray that value in a very minimalist way. In case you didn't know what a minimalist play is, it's a play with no proper tools. Our first scene is a woman, a shrew. Anyway, she's a bad woman who destroys the environment.
Picture of the
Money! I need money! Money! Supplies?
Yes, master.
Salt? Don't tell me, please! I need money! See, I have more money! I need money! Faster! To make more furniture for money, can you please cut me down some logs? Thank you.
Ay, effective yung machine.
And as such, I'll replace it with new substitute. Okay, time to engage the water sprinkler.
Explain now.
She cut down all the resources
Without replenishing them.
and then in the end she didn't have any more resources to use, and her economy or her profit, she didn't have any more resources to make sure that there's no more sales. So it's shut down.
So how can concern for environment also lead to economic development?
If the will shut down, then that means that the economy will go down also. There's no more profit.
And there's no more resources for one to be able to get the things that she needs for production. Okay, very good. Introduction was well done, because I think this Angeli's passion is all about environment here. Minimalist is a very good way to present things. It doesn't really need much of the props. People are used there. Very good. New way of seeing that. Next, I think the actresses also played their roles really well. Jordan, I didn't know that you can do contrabida roles this time. Okay, Aldo, very good 3, but you're supposed to be in the middle of those 2 ladies there for formation purposes. Nana also very good. Janine, very good. Anjali, very good. Vincent, you were just conscious. These guys here were bullying you. We're not doing